balaba bitono mukondo okusinga $9 kyenda kuva bwekali tonawera kikumi.
Everyone holds something, a ball, something.
Thank you. Vale.
But if a school is in your area, in fact, I don't know why Elite has not participated this time. Because for them, they just walk. Many of them can walk here. So it's easy to have an inclusive tournament because it is local. About officials, we shall invite badminton, of course, but we are not offering badminton. And then we'll find out who we can get for basketball and volleyball. We've not interacted with the federations. Referees have been difficult to get this time round.
Only the trophies?
Trophies and a certificate. You get a participation certificate. Everyone gets a certificate because we have in-house certificates, and then the trophies, of course.
Yeah, maybe when it comes to preparation on your side as the hosts, how has been the preparations? What is your target this time?
Yeah, in a school, the challenge of because for us here, when we do sports day, to participate. About how many? 800, including ours.
Yes.
Okay.
Why do you have to associate the tournament with independence?
It is a date. You have a public holiday. It is significant. A lot of students now do not have where we are. So it's a big discussion on independence. So this tournament opens the door for a discussion on independence. I keep telling my students, how independent are you? They go to canteen, come with 3 chapatis. Our school is one of the top-notch in terms of meals, but you will still find students queuing at the canteen to spend their money.
Independence.
No.
You choose.
But it is not your money. You begged for that money. We won. Tell me, who has the sheets there? We won in the last tournament. We won the North.
International basketball under 20 was better, and then chess was 42.
So it's even. It's even. If you put in Chitende, for example, it may not be even.
What is the criteria?
Local schools. Local schools. Under 15 and under 20. Local schools. In our under 15, if there's a good footballer or good netballer at the primary school, we include them in a team. Easy.
Kaboja is the only exception this time.
Kaboja, yes, from not local. Kaboja. Usually it's Kaboja and Greenhill because they are our partners. We work together. Swimming and chess. And we do generally well. We've not competed in football. Nationally,
Basketball.
we've not competed.
Volleyball.
No, we haven't competed. I think we'll one day go and observe. But the national I would like to go on record. We have 2 fields. Okay, we have a field here and another field there. We have 2 basketball courts. We have areas. We have a netball court. So we should, with good scheduling, we should be okay. Because we're scheduling 2 days per weekend. This total of 6 days. Surely we should manage.
Cabin. Then you come in behind.
Even John is tall.
Again.
Yeah.
Then
Are we smiling?
Yes.
Okay. Yeah. Run from up. Done? Yeah. You have to hurry up. I've tucked in the tummy a long time. Yeah. Okay. Thank you so much.
We have one, you and the teacher. Now we have this.
Thank you. Thank you. Okay. Everybody new? Right.